Crochet is not just for only the females or any old lady around. You know, men can also crochet. Hi guys, my name is Yanis from Station Sparkles. You're welcome, and I'm happy to see you again. Okay, so don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you'll be the first to see my videos. I decided today we're going to make a little vlog or a head talk, right? I know many of you are curious who is this lady, and I decided to make a proper introduction video for you guys to know about me and how I came up with this crochet, my passion, and every of the tea. So I'm going to tell you everything, but first, I'm Eunice Gift by name. As you all know, I'm from Nigeria, and that's where I just want to stop right now. So I'm a crocheter in Nigeria. Crochet is like a different act entirely. For me, it's a different act. Alright, I made so many videos. It will be for now. I've been crocheting, I think, from my primary school. I've been crocheting, and it was not really it was not really basic. I don't know. I didn't really take it as anything serious. I just, maybe it's something everybody does. Any girl or any boy just pick up the yarn and hook and start doing bag. And mostly it was bag and just a flat surface, something. We're just crocheting at actually. It wasn't easy for me actually. I was looking for something to keep me busy, something outside from my phone. Not, I was looking for something. I love using my hands to do something. I love being creative, that is me. Anything that has to do with hand, like just make something out of these hands of mine. I was so in love with it. So I looked for something doing, like, what should I do? You know, I thought about so many things, and I just decided that why not take a yarn and YouTube. Thank God for YouTube. I went over to YouTube and I viewed so many patterns. I viewed so many patterns. It was, I felt like I belonged there. You understand what I'm saying? I felt like I belonged there. I started seeing patterns. Like, I say, how can I make this? I was so eager I just want to learn. So first thing first, I made my research, looked for a crocheter or someone that has those things available in Nigeria. I located I picked my yarn, I made some orders, and I got my yarns delivered. Okay, and it came. I was so happy. I did so many projects. At first, it might not be looking professional. It's when you see the work, you know this is not a professional handwork or a professional handmade. It was a little bit lacking some kind of things. I made some stitch. I didn't really properly make it look perfect, but at least I did something. That's number one. I did something, and gradually I watched more YouTube videos, some Facebook videos. I started getting myself more, I don't know if it's more advanced, but I trained myself, know the basics, what I'm missing, what I'm not supposed to do. I watched so many videos, and here I am giving out this love back to this community of mine. So, as a crocheter, I have challenges also. Having time to crochet. So, it's been a lot. When you have determination, when you have passion for something, there is always a way, alright? So, first off, after making research of how to crochet and everything and the likes, okay? So, first, I I started crocheting. So, after learning crochet and everything on YouTube, I said, okay, I've learned a lot. I just can't sit down and just have all this project in my household using another rest. Let me create a YouTube account and I started. Well, I've not used YouTube to post any videos at all. I just go there and watch videos and all the rest. And I keep on hearing people say they monetize, Facebook monetize, YouTube monetize, and all the rest. That with time they will verify your page or your channel, and I like that's a lot of money for me. Why can't I do it? If anybody is doing it, if any tech guy or any tech lady is doing it, why can't I? Even anybody can do it and earn from it. So why can't I do it? So I decided I opened a channel. It was very hard for me actually. So I made my research definitely. I went into internet, searched for so many things, app that can help with YouTube and all the rest. I watched a lot of videos, content creators, what they say about. Ah, that's another story for another day. But I made my research and I created this account, and I'm enjoying it right here. I'm enjoying sharing this love with those out there that are looking for another way, just the way I explained earlier, something else to do with these beautiful hands of mine. And mind you, crochet is not just for only the females or any old lady around. No, men can also crochet. Anybody can crochet. Anybody can crochet, be it a man or a human, be it a man or woman, or be it a lady or a boy, or anybody can just crochet. If you have the passion for it, why not? Okay, why not? So the challenges I have was one, trying to balance my household and crochet. So this is what I normally do. So we have Monday to Saturday, or will I say Monday to Sunday? Yes. So from Monday, I will start preparing what I want to do. Okay. And if I want to crochet a project and I want to make a video about it or a tutorial about it, so I jot down what I want, how I want it to be planned, and everything. So that Monday is just like a regular day for me. I make home breakfast, just arrange myself for that Monday and go to my place of work. So on Tuesday, I charge all of my equipment. Okay, my phone and lighting. Well, for now, I'm using natural lights, but sometimes I have a ring light that I use normally. So I charge all those my gadgets. Every of my I'm using a phone camera So I just charge my phone, my lightning for Tuesday. I make sure it's fully charged. Then on Wednesday is my tutorial day. I call it my tutorial day. That is on Wednesday. I sit down at home. My husband is aware of it. He knows my schedule. So on Wednesday, I make sure I set every of my projects, my tutorials, and everything. I keep them and I make my videos. And as you can see, the background is a little bit changed. That's because we just relocated to another apartment. So it's all things. God has been grateful for that, for my husband and I. So on Wednesdays, I always make my videos, and it takes me the entire day, really, because I'll be shooting with my phone at the same time, crocheting at the same time, pausing, cutting, just like that. It's not easy. You have to balance everything, keep everything perfect. Just have that capturing everything in that perfect moment. You cut, you delete, you video, just like that. And so Wednesday is like my tutorial day, and after that, if I still have a lot of time, I quickly take my videos to my editing app. I edit it. But if I'm not able to edit it that Wednesday, I do it on Thursday. So from Thursday, Friday, I am done with my editing. Yes, Thursday, Friday, I'm done with my editing. So by Saturday, I upload. I upload my videos, and voila, that is it. And I make sure I write down my descriptions. I write down so many links. Make sure I keep some tag in my description box. So, sometimes YouTube like checking your description box. It helps to reach out to other people, post and every other stuff. There is just describe your video, that's all. So I make sure I jot down my description, what I really need in my description box and everything. And also, as a crocheter, you also need a notebook or a notepad. But if you have a laptop, it's fine. You can just jot down everything there, reschedule yourself, reschedule and everything in your laptop. But if you don't have, I advise you have a notebook. For me, I have a notebook where I jot down something. Sometimes I might sit down and new ideas will just come into my head, and I just go right there and jot it down. So it helps me keep me in track at the same time. Sometimes you're crocheting and you just need that notebook just to jot down something. You see? So it's just like another reminder on its own. And that is it. Frequently asked questions. I believe I've answered them. I'm Eunice Gifts. I'm married from Nigeria. What again? I don't have any question. Use the comment section. I'll be there waiting for you. And don't forget to like and subscribe my videos. Okay?